All right, drivers, good luck. Drivers ready, corner marshals ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone. Nice and easy, guys. Easy, guys, settle down. All right, it is Barry Baker. Out front. Oh. It is Barry Baker out front, followed by Rick Howard. It's going to be Paul Lemieux, Billy Easton. Let's keep it clean in the back, guys. Keep it clean, keep it clean. Good pass there from Thresher. Keep it clean, guys. The freight train. Good job, good job. Barry Baker out front in the 3. Two-time winner here in the Reedy race. Right there, somebody. Masami's there. Later, into the keyhole. Barry Baker in the 3. Second spot, Rick Howard in the 8. Followed by Craig Drescher in the 1. Paul Lemieux, Bill Easton. We have now 4 minutes to go. 4 minutes to go. It is Baker, followed by Howard, Drescher, then it's Lemieux, Easton, Baruch, Blackstock, Joel Marburg, and Keo Suzuki, 3:44 to go. All right, leader. Stop and go 6-car, Jonas Corrupt, stop and go next time by. Watch it in the kick, guys. Barry Baker down the straightaway. All right, leader, Rick Howard right in tow. Go, thank you. It's 3 minutes, 20 seconds. Later, under attack from Rick Howard. Oh, let him back by. Rick, let him by, let Barry by. Thank you. Down the straightaway, it's Craig Drescher, Barry Baker, Rick Howard. Craig Drescher out front. Barry Baker, Rick Howard. Down the straightaway they go. Barry holding the line. Rick climbing it deep, trying to go inside, outside, nothing good. Barry holding his ground. 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. This hot battle for second is helping out Craig Drescher. Craig Drescher in orange and silver number 1. Like about 5 feet behind Barry. 2.5, guys. 2.5 down, 2.5 to go. Barry and Rick down the straightaway. Then even through the sweeper they go. Rick all the way on the outside. No, can't do it. Good driving, guys. Keep it up. Stop and go 6-car. Stop and go next time by 6-car. Our leaders, Craig Drescher, followed by Barry Baker. Howard trying the inside there to go. Let him back by. Go. Thank you.
Get him, Barry.
Clean it up, guys. Rick and Barry going at it. Meanwhile, Drescher just checking it. Oh, clean it up. Easy, guys. Go racing, go racing. There we go, guys. Clean it up. Meanwhile, Drescher, goodbye. Drescher just pulling away as Blackstock has moved to second, Baker to third, Howard to fourth. Then it's Meyerberg, followed by Lemieux. Easton and Corrupt. Blackstock to his 2 spot. Craig Drescher out front of the orange and silver number 1. 1 minute to go, 1 minute to go. It is 50 seconds now. It is Craig Drescher with a 5-second lead. There's silver and orange. Second spot, Mike Blackstock in that orange. Black number 2. Third spot, Barry Baker in the 3. Followed by Joel Marburg in the 9. Paul Lemieux in the 5. Jonas Corrupt in the 6. Bill Easton in the 7. 30 seconds, drivers. 30 to go. Race 2's up next. It is Craig Drescher out front. Blackstock second into 2. We got 8 seconds to go. Greg Drescher just taking it easy. 3, 2, 1. That is time. Mike Blackstock, you're done. Finish the lap you're on, guys. As he comes around to take the win, a silver and orange number 1, Greg Drescher. Second spot going to go to Mike Blackstock. Third going to go to Barry Baker, followed by Joel Marburg. Bonus club, Paul and East End, Rick and Keo.